Hello everyone, I'm Shadam from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. I am back another camera comparison video. Today video about this Redmi K30 and Realme XT camera comparison. So guys, start the video. Redmi K30 quad camera phone. First one 64 megapixel 1.9 aperture 26 mm wide. Second 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture 13 mm ultra wide. Third 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture macro and fourth 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. On the other hand, Realme XT also quad camera. First one 64 megapixel 1.8 aperture 26 mm wide. Second 8 megapixel 2.3 aperture 13 mm ultra wide. Third 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture macro camera. Fourth 2 megapixel 2.2 aperture depth sensor. Both camera you can record highest 4K 30 fps and also record 1080, 30 and 60 fps and also 120 fps slow-mo video and 720p super slow-mo video. So now I am recording both camera 1080, 60 fps. Let's move on the selfie camera. Redmi K30 dual selfie camera. First one 20 megapixel 2.2 aperture 27 mm wide. Second 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. On the other hand, Realme X2 single 32 megapixel 2.0 aperture 26 mm wide selfie camera. Today video about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am Shadatan Sojib. See you next time another video. Allah Hafiz.